Okay, next door's garden, they've got a bird table and some big pigeons live there and kind of eat stuff. And my cat, Bo, every day for hours on end, will just sit by the fence and stare up and hope that one of the pigeons is going to come through so she can eat them. And she'll just stay there for hours and hours and hours and hours. Perfectly poised. Ever the optimist, you got to hand it to her. But nothing ever happens. No sign of the pigeons. Her ideal dream would be for one of the pigeons to land just on the top of the trellis there and she can jump up and eat it. But she just sits there for ages, look. Boom, boom, boom. Keeps on waiting. The perseverance is astounding. Never gets bored, bless her. Never gets bored of waiting and waiting and waiting. For that bird. I could do a little wildlife show like Bill Oddie. See if I can break her concentration. Caught anything? No? Okay. And that's what my cat does all day long.